Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie Costa, and today's video is just going to be a Boxycharm Premium unboxing. For some reason, I haven't received any tracking info on the base and luxe box, so I don't know what's going on with that. So today's video is just going to be the Premium. Now let's get started. Now, I've already looked into this box. It's actually mostly skincare, which is surprising, and there's only like two makeup items, but I mean, a little confusing considering I know I probably put less skincare on my beauty quiz. First thing in the box is this Saturday Skin Pore Clarifying Toner. So it says this pore clarifying toner helps to smooth and refine your skin's appearance with an effective dose of 10% glycolic acid. The Pore Control Complex targets pore concerns with a blend of ingredients that help improve the look of balanced, clear skin. So pretty much what a toner does do, I would also expect this to minimize redness. So the main ingredients are witch hazel, tea tree oil, and red clover. Now this is a pretty big bottle, or it seems that way. The packaging is really different than most toners I've seen, but it's really cute. They're pretty much their normal packaging for Saturday Skin, that ombre pink to clear moment. But nice, looking forward to trying this out. And this goes for $30 and you get 4.22 fluid ounces. Next item is this Eloise Beauty The Queen Eyeshadow Palette. So it says they're supposed to be highly pigmented and suitable for all skin tones. So it has 20 eyeshadows with 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. I did already use these on my eyes. I used the shades Sheba, Kingdom, Jewels, that's a shimmer shade, and then I also used, I believe, Honorable, and also Empire. I definitely agree that these shades will probably fit most skin tones, and I do like the color story in this palette. I wouldn't say they're like the most pigmented eyeshadows, but they definitely do the job, and they're definitely easy to blend. I just want to swatch a few of the ones that I haven't used. So this is the shade Severn. This is the shade Crown, like a lavender color. These are really pretty. This is Queen. This is Rainy. This is Powerful, Throne, Curtsy, Milady. And the last shimmer shade that I haven't used is Monarch, which these are really, really pretty, especially that blue one. So I definitely like that this palette wasn't like a neutral palette for more natural looks, because that's honestly what I've been like complaining about in the past boxes, is that I have so many eyeshadows that I need the palettes to stand out compared to the other ones. So again, this palette is 20 shades and it goes for $46, so a little bit on the higher side for me, but the quality is overall really good. Next item is this Frank Body Coconut Coffee Scrub. So I have tried this brand before. It was their body scrub. It was the one in the pink bag. I'm not sure exactly which coffee scrub that was. No, it was okay. I'm not a big fan of the scrubs in like this paper container, but I have a feeling that maybe this is like a environmental thing, which I guess is better than the normal plastic containers. So the main ingredients in this one is Robusta coffee, which buffs away dry skin, coconut oil, which is an antibacterial to help fight breakouts, and grapeseed oil, which is rich in vitamins to reduce the appearance of scars. And this goes for $18.95, and you get about 7 ounces or 200 grams. It's up to you if you think that's worth it. For body scrubs, I tend to go on more on like the cheaper side. Next item is this Kitsch, I think the brand is Kitsch Ice Roller. Now it is another beauty tool, which I normally don't care for, but this one looks a little bit different. So it says this ice roller is your new at-home facial made with high-quality surgical stainless steel. It helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for best results. Now, thankfully, I don't think I really suffer for like soreness and headaches and all that, but maybe for somebody who does. Ooh, it does feel good. It's like really cooling. But honestly, just for me personally, like I don't gravitate towards the tools because I always forget about them and I never use them. So I don't know. Maybe, I'm assuming you could probably use this in other areas besides your face, like soreness. Why is your face sore, girl? What are you doing? So I would assume that it, yeah, could probably massage your legs. So before using this, you do put it in the freezer. That's how it gets cold. And you let it sit there for a few minutes. So this is $18, which isn't bad for like a beauty tool. I feel like when we've gotten like those jade rollers, those are more on the, I think, pricier side. So this one definitely is more affordable. Next item is this Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. Okay, get flawless skin in a flash with PHAs, the no downtime exfoliating acid and key ingredient in Olay's first one step at home facial. What makes PHAs so special? They're fat, literally like AHAs. PHAs deliver skin perfecting age fighting results, but PHAs are just a little plumper. They're a bigger molecule. Okay, I don't need to know the whole like chemistry of it. Just tell me what it does. So it says retextures, targets fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, and pores. It also hydrates and reveals smoother, instantly more luminous skin, making it the ultimate get ready with me essential for a party ready, no filter necessary. Oh, their sentences on their descriptions are way too long. So I think I'm just still confused on exactly what it is. So it says apply an even layer to clean dry skin, massage until it transforms from pink to white, leave on for 15 minutes, remove with a damp washcloth, use, okay, so it's a face mask, okay. So I'm thinking this is like a stick. Oh no, it's not a stick, it's a pump. I haven't tried an Olay Henriksen product in a long time, so looking forward to giving them another shot. Oh, and this goes for $50. Honestly, I expected that from Olay Henriksen, so not shocking. And you get 1.7 fluid ounces of product. So the last item in my box is a Marc Jacobs Beauty and Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer. Very nice of Boxycharm to like get those connections with Marc Jacobs. Pretty prestigious brand to have in the box. So it says a high shine lip lacquer formulated with a breakthrough triple shine complex and high performance polymers that transform color pigments into a hydrating gloss, enriched with antioxidant rich superfoods and cell repairing phytonutrients plus vitamin A and C. Unprecedented shine and unstoppable wear. So I did put this on my lips and it was definitely really pretty. It has like a silver blue glitter reflex in the lips. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that on camera, but I can definitely see it in person. And it is a gloss, but it's not too oily and doesn't feel too tacky. So it definitely is comfortable and it feels like it could probably stay on for longer than the normal lip gloss. And I got this in the shade Changes. Yeah, that's what it says. Changes. And this goes for $29. Not exactly in my price range, but good product overall. Alexa, can you add for me?
I've added 46 plus 50 plus 30 plus 18 plus 29 plus $18.95 to your shopping list.
Don't add. Calculate.
I've added calculate to your shopping list. To help me learn, did I do what you wanted?
No.
Thanks for your feedback.
So the total price of everything in the box was $199.95. They promise above $175 and with 6 to 7 items. In this box there were 6 items, so they hit it on target. Alright, so that was it for what was in my Boxycharm Premium box. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, I try to post videos every Wednesday. If that doesn't happen, I try to post on Saturdays. So yeah, I will see you guys soon in the next one. Bye!